This is very easy
The
form
compiler
which
did.
we have to use. Only thing is that we have, whenever we will write any grammar rule, we have to take care that whether that grammar is normalized, is in normalized form or
Hello
not. If it
YouTube.
is not, then we
Hello,
have to
YouTube.
first normalize the grammar
Please
by
subscribe to Ryzen
following
God.
the previous sections we have already discussed. Then we have to feed
For
it to the parser.
session.
So for converting,
Nothing
let
does
me
it better
write the
than
steps once
Ryzen.
again. For converting your context-free grammar to
ये ना तुम
CNF, what
दूसरा
you
गाना
have to
किया
do.
कि नहीं किया?
So
वो
I'm
कब
writing the
दूसरा गाना का
steps
वीडियो कब आ रहा
to
है?
convert your
पहला गाना का वीडियो हो रहा है, क्वेश्चन वो है
context-free grammar to
पहला गाना का
mostly
वीडियो
normal
किधर है?
form,
पहला गाना
because
तो
you
सुन
are
ले।
यही
trying to
बात है।
normalize your grammar. So what are the steps? So
वो
first
दूसरा चैनल
steps
पे
you need to
आएगा कि
follow
यही
is
चैनल
that
पे आएगा? पब्लिक
if
आप
there
जानना
are
चाहती है कि
any
यही चैनल पे वो
epsilon
गाना आने वाला
production,
है कि
then you have
दूसरा
to
चैनल?
remove
नहीं
those.
नहीं
So
दूसरा पे
remove all epsilon productions.
राइसन गॉड गरीबों के हेल्प करने के लिए है,
Epsilon
फिर वो
productions are
चैनल
there,
बनेगा
then we will not entertain them.
दिल टूटे
We will
आशिकों के
remove
हेल्प
all
करने के
epsilon
लिए।
production, and we will rewrite our grammar in such a way that wherever the epsilon production was there, we will replace them with non-epsilon one. Okay, so all epsilon productions will not be there in your
परम
edited
धोखेबाज
grammar. Okay, next
धोखेबाज
step, if there is any
धोखेबाज
unit
2
production, then you should remove them. So
नाइस
remove all unit productions. So that means A produces B, B produces C. If such type of cases are there, then you should remove these types of unit productions from your grammar. Okay, just write directly A produces C instead of writing all intermediate variables. Okay. Third, if you have any useless symbols, so
बुलबुल है
remove
कि
them.
चला
So
गया?
remove useless
1:30
productions,
बजे मतलब 1 बज रहा है, क्या वार्डन से क्या करेगा? बात करेगा फिर
your
दोबारा?
symbol.
वही कर भाई, वो कॉल ही नहीं उठा रहा, उसको क्या ही बोले।
वार्डन को किस इमोजी भेजो ना।
Fourth,
अरे गौतम तुमको बोली कि नहीं, मैच्योरिटी से बात किए थे अभी आज?
if you have a
एचओडी से
production
हाँ,
of
जो
this
कॉल किए
type,
थे।
suppose
क्या
you
किया
have a
भाई बात?
production A produces
यही हॉस्टल का
small
प्रॉब्लम
a,
लेके
एचओडी
or
क्या बोला?
एचओडी बोला मेल कर देने के लिए वार्डन
capital
को,
हम्म
जो मतलब ये इसके छठ
produces
पूजा के वजह से टिकट नहीं मिल रहा है, ये प्रॉब्लम है, तो
not
मेरा
the
लगेज का
previous
मतलब
one,
देखभाल किया जाए।
rather I will write
अब बोले सर यदि फाइन देख के, बोला कि फाइन
for
उनका बात मत
production
करो नहीं तो
A
लंबा चौड़ा बिल बना
produces
देगा हमको, वार्डन
suppose
मतलब एचओडी बोला।
x1 comma
अरे वो
x2, all
एचओडी
are
का एक ही सॉल्यूशन है, मेल कर दो।
हाँ भाई
terminal
भाई
values, suppose small letter.
और कुछ
Okay,
नहीं
और
so
जानता,
x3 dot dot
लगता है कि
dot,
कोई मेल देखता है अभी
if
के
you have
जमाने में।
xn,
वही ना।
like
जो
that.
रोज
Suppose
अरे
you have
अरे सुनो
any
सुनो शिकारी काम करते हैं ना हम लोग,
terminal and
मतलब तुम
non-terminal
अपना
symbols
अपना
at
मेल
the
में
right hand
हम
side
तीनों
of
का
your
नाम लिखना,
production,
हम अपना मेल में
then
हम
you
तीनों
have
का
to
नाम भरते हैं, ठीक है?
हाँ
कि
either
हम लोग तीनों एक ही
convert
रूम
this
का है,
production,
तो एक रूम में हम लोग का सामान सब।
अरे तो
हाँ
मेल
लिख
आईडी भी
के
तो वो
either
देगा अपना तभी
convert
ना।
लिख के प्रिंसिपल को भेज देना, कॉलेज का
प्रिंस
डीन को।
production
अरे बोला इसी को मतलब वार्डन को मेल करने के लिए, तो पहले वार्डन से बात कर लेते हैं, क्या बोलता है एक बार, और सर
nominal
टिकट
value,
नहीं मिल रहा है।
or if it is not possible, then at
बोलो
least
तुम
हम अच्छा
16
at your
तारीख
right
के,
hand side you should have
को
at most
अरे
स्क्रीनशॉट
शिकारी
one
तुम बोलो 16 तारीख के
non-terminal
एक दो
in
दिन
your
पहले
right
हम
hand side.
चले जाएंगे वहां
So
पे,
that means here you
साफ कर
can
देंगे
see
मेरा रूम,
you have so many
उसके
symbols,
बाद वहीं पर ही
x1
रह
x2
जाएंगे,
dot dot dot
ऐसा
n
बोलना।
number of
अरे एक
symbols
दिन
in
उधर
your
रह
right
जाते।
वो
hand
बोल ही
side.
नहीं रहा, बोल रहा
That
10
is
तारीख से
not
पहले आया
allowed,
करो, तुम्हारा
because
प्रॉब्लम,
we
तुम
are
कैसे आओ या नहीं आओ,
here
यही बोल
dealing
रहा
with
बोला
the
है।
regular grammar or context free grammar. So context
इतना
free
दिन से
grammar
टाइम दिया तो
में
वही
हमें
बोलेगा,
always take care करना पड़ता है
अब
कि right
फाइनल
hand
टाइम आ
side का
चुका
length
है।
उतना भी
देखो
ज्यादा ना हो,
वार्डन भी अपने जगह
left
गलत
hand
नहीं है
side
भाई,
का लेंथ
वार्डन
तो
हाँ
सिंगल
बहुत
होना
वही
ही
वही
है,
बहुत दिन
but
से
for
बोल
right
रहा
hand
है।
side
भाई
also,
याद से नहीं
if you
बोल
are
रहा है वार्डन।
following
अच्छा
the
हमको सही चले
normalization
जाना चाहिए
CNF
था।
form, so for
ऐसा
converting
नहीं कि
it to
भाई एक महीना
CNF,
पहले
it is
बोलना शुरू किया,
necessary
वो एक
that
साल
at your
पहले
right
से
hand
बोल।
side derivative there will be only
तो हमको तो मेल में लिखने वाला है, चोरी
two
जब एक दिन
non-terminal
पहले
present
इन्फॉर्म
at
हो ऐसा
most.
लिखना।
At mostly only two non-terminal can be present. So if there are more
वार्डन
than one,
सॉरी।
एचओडी
then
गांडू है,
use
एचओडी
some
कुछ जानता नहीं है, वो
non-terminals
हॉस्टल के बारे
extra
में एचओडी क्या
as a
जानेगा।
temporary
वही वही
non-terminal
वही
अगर जानता है
variable
एचओडी एक साल
and
से, मान लो
convert
वार्डन
that
एक
to
साल से
CNF
पहले
form.
बोल
So
रहा है
this
तो
is
वो नहीं
actually
बोलता
your
ऐसा।
CNF form. Okay.
मम्मी
So
को 10 बार सुना था।
if any question is given
तुमको ही
which
सुना
is
देता
not
वही
in a normal form, then you will have to convert them to normalized form or to CNF form
चलो
by
बुलबुल आसनसोल से
applying
दुर्गा
this
पूरा आ
rule.
गया
So
रहता
let
तो
us
ये
see
दिन नहीं देखना
that how
पड़ता।
can you convert.
हाँ भाई,
Let's
आ तो
suppose you
जाते
have been
रहते
given a
क्या कि तभी
question
टिकट उकट भी
like
मिल रहा
this.
था।
एक घंटे
अरे
का
भाई वो आ
given
जाते हैं, हम
S
तो बोल ही रहे
produces
हैं।
capital A, B,
अब तो साला
and
पता
suppose
नहीं क्या
small a.
होगा।
One production is given, and then suppose capital A produces
क्या हो रहा है तुम्हारे साथ?
ऐसा क्या
AB,
कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा सब कुछ हैक हो रहा
capital
है।
small b,
वही
and suppose capital B produces
बुलबुल
तुम्हारा कोई
क्या
दोस्त
होगा
ही कोई कुछ
पीछे
कर रहा है
जाना,
capital
समझा।
पीछे
A
जाना,
followed
यार
by
हम लोग ऐसा
C.
है कि कुछ
Suppose
यूज
this
ही नहीं
type
करते
of
तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है
production
हमारा।
is given. So you can see
वही
here
ना
that
हम
above
उस दिन उतना ट्वीट भी
above
किए उसको
two
लेके
production
अभी
is
कुछ नहीं
carrying
हुआ
3 different symbols in the right
अरे
hand side
दिखाओ तो
table.
भाई,
मतलब
The
अनॉय
first one is
अकाउंट
carrying 2
अकाउंट हैक मतलब
non-terminal
कि तुम्हारा जीमेल
followed
से
by a
रिलेटेड।
terminal value, and the second one is carrying 3
हाँ ये भी लेकिन
terminal
प्रॉब्लम
values.
है।
So this is
वही
actually
और अगर
not
जीमेल गया ना तो
allowed in
तुम्हारा
case
पूरा
of
चीज
your
एक्सेस कर
CNF.
लेगा
So
वो,
what you
चाहे
have to
तुम्हारा
do,
कुछ
you
भी
have
हो।
to introduce some more
अरे
non-terminals values
वो अनंत क्या है
apart
का
from your
ना
S, A,
उन्हें
and
तो
B, and you have to make them
ट्विटर यूज
normalized.
नहीं
So
रहा तो
that
ट्विटर
means
को बंद कर दो।
at most
आदि भी
there
नहीं
can be 2 non-terminal value in your right hand
ना
side.
राख
Okay, so let's
हमको
take
लिटरली लगा था कि तुम
one
ही पोस्ट किया
non-terminal capital N.
वाला।
ऊपर राख तू
Okay, and
हमको
I'm
क्या,
saying
हमको लगा
that
तुम जोश
N
में आ
can
गए होगे और
produce
तुम पता है
small a.
वो पोस्ट
So
3
where
बार
your
किए हो, हम
small a
3
is
बार लाइक किए।
appearing in the right hand side, there actually you will replace
तू
with
राख
capital
तू
N, because I have to
मतलब लास्ट
make an
20 डेज में हमको
arrangement
लगता है 3 बार
that
तुम
it
सेम
only
पोस्ट।
produces the grammar which is in a CNF
और
form.
आनंद का
Okay,
जो अकाउंट
when
है
I'm
वो
editing
कौन
it, I will
चलाता है
edit in that way only.
वो पता
Okay,
नहीं।
and let's
वो किसके पास
suppose
है
I'm taking capital M
और उस
for
दिन
small
हमको
b
मतलब
for
ट्वीट में
producing
कौन
small b, where
बुलबुला
small
होना
b will appear,
ऐसे कोई एक
there I
किया
will
होगा
use capital
तो
M.
और कौन
नहीं नहीं,
करेगा
आनंद
तुम
वाला
And
से
for
हम
small
नहीं किए
c,
थे। आनंद का मेरा पासवर्ड
let's
ही नहीं
suppose
पता
I'm
है।
using
तुम
नहीं
तीनों
किया।
के पास ही अकाउंट
so
है
ये
हाँ
हम अपने
हम
मन से
जीरो के
ले रहे हैं,
पास है
वैसे ही
लेकिन
आप
किया
भी
ना है।
कुछ नॉन टर्मिनल के
हाँ,
वैल्यूज
वो
ले
बोलो
सकते हो. Okay, then suppose I'm taking for small a, small b, small
तो
c,
वो
I have
समझ नहीं
already
रहा
taken.
मंडल कितना
So I
बड़ा आदमी
will
तुम्हारे उसमें
start
रिप्लाई कर रहा है।
writing my grammar in CNF form. Okay, so
और
first
साला
if I
किसको
talk
किसको
about
फॉलो
if I
करके
talk
रहता है
about
भाई हम
your
सही बता रहे हैं,
capital
हमको डैनी
S,
डैनियल्स का
S
देखना
is
है, लेकिन
already
ज्यादा सब
having
फ्री
A
अवेलेबल
and
नहीं
B
है।
as a non-terminal in
हम
its
कैसे
right
देखें,
hand
कोई हमको
side,
बता सकता है?
and
ये तो
extra
बुलबुल ही
one
जवाब
कॉन्टेक्ट
देगा।
n will be added
नहीं
because n
नहीं,
can produce
उसका
हमको
ज्यादा
small a. I have already
हमको
told,
डैनी
right?
डैनियल्स
So
बहुत
अगर मैं
पसंद है।
n को add कर देती हूँ at the last AB के बगल में, so that means I'm again adding
वो तो
one
छोड़ दी थी ना,
extra
ओनली फैंस में
non-terminal
है।
to it, which is not in the
हाँ
form of a
यही तो दिक्कत
Chomsky
हो गया है
number
भाई,
form
सब
or
वहीं
CNF
शिफ्ट हो
form.
रहा है।
So what I will
अब
do
अब
शिफ्ट हो रहा
for
है सर।
AB,
अब ओनली
I
फैंस
will
बंद
take
कर रहा
another
है।
variable who can
वो क्या
generate
है
only single
वो जो सिर्फ पैसा उसको भेजेगा वो उसी को सिर्फ दिखाता
from
है
that
नॉन
single
फैंस।
non-terminal
अरे
I
ओनली
can
फैंस में
generate
होता
AB.
है ना
For
कि
that I will
मान लो
take
कि तुम
one
अपना
variable.
अकाउंट
So
खोले,
let's suppose
ठीक है,
I'm
तुम कोई
writing like
क्रिएटर
this,
हो, कंटेंट
that
क्रिएटर हो, मतलब तुम म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाते हो या फिर तुम कुछ बनाते हो, तुम अपना कंटेंट वहां
I'm
डालते
writing
हो तो कुछ फ्री
कि
रहता है, कुछ पेड
capital
रहता है। कि मान लो कि तुम कोई ट्रेलर बनाए तो वो पेड ट्रेलर है, तुम उस पे $5 ले रहे हो, तो जो आदमी
capital E
$5
can
देगा ना वही
produce
तुम्हारा कंटेंट
E
देख
can
पाएगा।
produce capital P followed by
तो
N.
वैसे वैसा ही
So
करके
that
सब
means
अब
N क्या
स्पॉन्सर
produce
सब
कर
लोग
सकता है?
डालता है
N
उसमें।
can produce small a. So that means
तो
basically
एक एक
I'm
आदमी $10
taking only
$15
this
देता है
part.
एक फोटो देखने के
The
लिए।
first जो production है A
यार
B A, B
अना तो
followed
अना
by
अना
small
अना
a,
अना
A को
भाई अंधा
मैंने
कमाई है
capital
भाई,
N से
पता है। हाँ
replace कर
करना
हम
दिया,
भाई।
हम देखे
and
थे
B
ना कि
and N
एक
को
बेटा
मैंने एक
अपनी
साथ
मम्मी
lump
का
करके
बनाया,
एक
ठीक
production
है,
के
उसकी
अंडर में
मम्मी
डाल
डालना
दिया.
शुरू की
So then
और कुछ दिन में
my
मिलियनेयर बन गई।
earlier production capital S can produce
क्या डालने
capital
लगी
A
वो?
followed by capital E
ओनली
बन
फैंस
जाएगा, because
अच्छा
B N को मैंने
मतलब
E में कैप्चर कर लिया. So
मतलब
for
कि
this first
कहाँ की
production
थी
I can
वो औरत,
utilize
उसका बेटा उस पे
these
अकाउंट
two
बनाया
productions.
उसकी
Instead of
अपनी मम्मी
writing
का,
one,
ठीक है,
I
उसकी
have
मम्मी
used
से
these two productions. This is
फिर
only
वो
for production
यूज
number
करने
one.
लगी और फिर उसके
Similarly,
बाद कुछ दिन में
for
मिलियनेयर बन
second
गई।
one also, I will apply the same thing.
सही है।
What I
खाली
will
लड़की
write
होना चाहिए, पैसा तो
for
ऐसे आ जाता है।
capital A can produce
वही
small a, then small b. So for small a means capital N, and capital M. So I can write like
गाड़ी का
this,
बात भी सही है।
that capital
अना
F
तुम बन जाओ, तुम्हारे
can
पास बूटी
produce
भी है, सबको बूटी
small
चाहिए।
ab.
अरे पता है
Small ab
उसको
means
कुछ होगा कि
for
पूरा एशिया का
A
बेस्ट
I
ब्यूटी
am
अवार्ड
having
मिला है, वैसा
capital
कुछ था
N,
उसका।
अरे भाई
and for small b I am having capital M. So NM
मतलब मतलब
means small a.
एज अ मिल्फ
Then
लेते
I can write that capital A can produce. For capital A, I
मतलब
am
इस सब का
having
अवार्ड
N,
सेरेमनी सब
and
होता
for
है
NM, I
अरे
am
हाँ भाई
having
award
हाँ ये सब तो-
So
मतलब
see,
पूरा
this
वैसा नहीं
is
कि पूरा टीवी पे दिखा रहा
equivalent
है
to
वैसा
your production 2.
मतलब होता है
Is equivalent to your production number 2. देखो,
कैसे मिस इंडिया सब
capital
होता है ना
A
वैसा ही
is
होता है
producing NF and F can produce NM. उसके बाद
से
M,
जॉनी
ऐसा
N
नहीं कि
और
वो लोग
जॉनी
M
तो हर
को
एक बार
अगर आप
फैन
small a,
मतलब
small a,
पॉपुलर
B
होगा
से
सबसे
replace कर
ज्यादा
देते हो,
बस
then
बस
it
भाई
is
भाई जॉनी
equivalent.
सिंस
भाई
But
उसी चीज का अवार्ड
why I
मिलता
am
होगा
showing this?
फैंस
क्या
का
Because
अवार्ड
हाँ
इसी
हम तो उसका
फॉर्म
एक भी
में
वीडियो नहीं
आपको
देखे यार
पार्सर को
हम सही
फीड
बता
करना
रहे
है
हैं
to
हम
make
उसमें से
that
एक दो
simple.
देखे हैं
हाँ वही मतलब
पता
एक
कि
दो
नहीं
आपने
कितना
बहुत
वीडियो
सारा
बचा
अगर
है वो
सिंबल वहां पे
वीडियो
ऐड कर
लेकिन
दिया
उसका
तो
वीडियो
आपका
दिखता नहीं
ट्री
है
जो है
ज्यादा
वो भी
नहीं
बाइनरी
हाँ उसका
में
ट्रेंडिंग
नहीं
ज्यादा
कभी नहीं
रहेगा.
होता है
रहता
That will be
लेकिन फिर
M
भी फेमस है वो
M3 means M children will
हमको
be
लगा
there,
फिर
इंडिया
and
में
that is
ज्यादा
not
फेमस है
allowed
वो
in case of
अरे
your
बस उसी का
context
नाम
free
ही
grammar.
फेमस है और किसी का नाम पता भी नहीं
अच्छा,
है
third
हाँ ये
जो
बात
A
भी है
produce sorry B produces AC, that is okay, having length 2, but for small c I can utilize this symbol O, right? So I will write capital B produces
ये
capital
आनंद
B
कॉल बैक किया
produces
था ब्रो
capital
तुमको
A followed by
हाँ
O.
आनंद किया था बोला वो
Okay,
क्या वही
so
बोल
in
रहा
this
था
case all
क्या
the
क्या हुआ
uh,
किया कि नहीं किया
grammars which I have written
अरे आनंद को पूछे
all
ना
are
उसका
following
असाइनमेंट
this
का कि
context
वो तुम्हारा तो ये
Chomsky
CA1
normal
में
form.
ये
So
एब्सेंट लग
if
गया
I write N
छोड़ो ना
produces
उसका
small
वो
a
टेंशन है
and
क्या
then
बोला
समझ में
M produces small
बोलता
b
है मैम से बात करना पड़ेगा
and O produces capital O produces
अब
ऐसा ऐसे सोया हुआ था
small
मैं
c.
बात
So
करेगा
भाई हमको
this
बहुत गुस्सा
grammar
आता है जब
rules,
मैम
whatever
डेडलाइन दे दी
listing
है
I have
उसके बाद भी
given
कोई
here,
सबमिट नहीं किया फिर
this
उसके
is
बाद मैम
basically an equivalent
2 दिन बाद का
grammar to
डेडलाइन
the
देती है उसके बाद भी
question
सबमिट
given.
नहीं करता फिर 2 दिन बाद
Here
कर देती है
whatever
फिर
question
सबमिट
is
नहीं करता
given here,
तो भाई क्या फायदा इतना देने का
whatever
एक बार में
question is
डाल दो
given
काम
here,
खत्म स्टूडेंट गया बनाया
and
उसका
in the
हो
right hand
गया
side
वो
I
नहीं
have
दिया
just
उसका गलती
converted
टीचर
the
इतना क्या
same
सोचता है
grammar
भाई
but following the Chomsky normal form.
वो
Whatever
टाइम पे दे
guidelines
रहा है
Chomsky normal
उसके साथ
form
भी
have
सही नहीं
given,
हो रहा है जो
I
लेट
have
दे रहा है
followed
वो
the
तो एकदम
same
चिल्ली
rule
है
that I have kept at the right hand side derivative at most 2 non-terminal values. Okay, and if that non-terminal values are in a position to generate single terminal value, that is also okay. So here you will get all productions of this form. Either non-terminal is producing one single terminal value, or one terminal is one non-terminal is producing 2 more non-terminal at its right hand side. So likewise, if any question is given to you and you are being asked to generate or asked to feed it to the parser, then first you should check
आने के
that
बाद लेट हो
whether
जाएगा मम्मी
they are
डांटेंगे
normalized or not. So if
बाय
they are
बाय
हाँ
not
लेट
normalized,
बाय
then
बाय
you have to
6
convert
बजे
अरे
your
जाना
context free
बोलते हैं
grammar to
मौसम चेंज हो रहा है जल्दी ना कर लीजिए
Chomsky normal form by
इसीलिए
following these steps. First, you have to see all silent production,
क्या
remove
दिक्कत
those.
है भाई तुम
You have to
करते
see
तो थोड़े
unit
नहीं तुम करते
productions
हो
are
हम नहीं
there or
करते वो
not.
बता दो
If they
अरे
are,
अनज
then
तुम ये
remove
इंडस्ट्रियल
those.
वाला ये सब
If
का मत
there are
करना
useless symbols,
रिकॉर्ड
useless
उसका
productions, then
रिकॉर्डिंग मिल
remove
जाता है
those.
बहुत इजीली मिल
And then
जाता है कहीं से
finally, you convert them according to the Chomsky normal form by keeping in the right hand side derivative at most 2 non-terminals,
हाँ
or
विजय का
else
कर
you can
सकता है
put
विजय हो गया
one
तुम्हारा
single
सॉफ्टवेयर
terminal
इंजीनियरिंग हो
value.
बिजॉय
गया
का
Okay,
करके भी कोई फायदा
terminal
नहीं है भाई
means
बिजॉय का करके क्या करोगे
small case, and capital means capital letter means non-terminal values. Okay, so the question will be given like this, that consider the following grammar and show
पढ़ा
that
देगा फिर भी समझ
this
में नहीं आएगा
is a normalized grammar or not. If this is not, then convert that. Okay. Achha, apart from this, I have already talked about the left factoring
गार्डियंस ऑफ द
process and
गैलेक्सी वाला गेम
left
देखा
recursive process.
नहीं
So make sure that your
ग्राफिक्स
grammar
अच्छा है
is
उसका
non-left recursive and left factoring problem also is not there.
अरे
If
हम
they
वन
are
पीस देखे भाई
present, then you have
उसी
to
दिन
additionally
क्या ही
you have
भाई
to
कितना
perform
स्लो
those
कहानी
actions
चल रहा है
also
क्या ही
to make it
वही
non-left recursive and non-left factoring. Okay.
मिंक्स वाला अच्छा फाइट होगा
Next, we will
लग
start
रहा है
the
लिंक्स
chapter
वाला हो
which is
सकता है
called parsing, because before
लेकिन भाई वही
parsing,
फाइट को
you
देखना ना
need to
20 एपिसोड
know
खींच
these
लेगा
knowledges about your grammar, about your context-free, regular expressions, NFA, DFA. So all these things related to your automata portion is over
चलो
here.
ठीक है
तो
बाय बाय मिलते
Next,
हैं
we
6
will
बजे
start the
हम्म
chapter called parsing, and in this parsing, we have to first understand
फोर्टनाइट
that
खेलेगा
how many types of parsers are there. Okay, so let me show you.
कौन अभी
हाँ अभी बोल रहा है
अरे तो आओ हम बैठे हुए हैं। ऐसे ही तो क्लास देख लेते हैं
Wait.
अगर डिस्कॉर्ड ज्वाइन करने से क्लास का साउंड नहीं आ रहा क्या ही बोले,
छोड़ो तुम, नहीं तो हम भी जाएंगे लंच करने।
मोबाइल में लंच करके आते नहीं तो।
Okay, so
जाके सो जाएंगे और कहीं
first
करें।
we have to understand that how many types of parsers are there. So
बोलो क्या
context
करना
free
है,
grammar, role of a
आना
parser.
है
कुछ
कि
नहीं करना, शाम को आएंगे और
Mildly
क्या।
know the role of a parser.
ठीक है।
Its output will be a parse tree or a derivation tree. But we will start from this portion that how many types of parsers are there. So there are basically majorly categorization of your parser is the way you are deriving your tree, the way you are creating your parse tree. So for that you can
Bye bye.
either opt for a top down parser or you can opt for bottom up parser. So the name itself is suggesting that when you opt for a top down parser, so top down parser means you are starting your journey from your root node and you are moving towards your leaf. Unless or until your leaf levels are completed, you are reaching towards down. Okay, so from root to leaf, when you follow the approach, that comes under your top down parser. That means from top to down you are trying to reach for derivation. Okay, so that means if I draw this, so that means every time I will plan for a top down parser. So that means I will start from any symbol or any non-terminal, let's suppose S, then I will see which is at its right hand side. Okay, so one which is at its right hand side, they will be its children node, and from left to right, I will write from its left child to rightmost child. Okay, similarly, in the next level, again, suppose another non-terminal value is present in this level 1. So again, that will be further derived to its next level for its children node. Okay, so likewise, when there are there are nodes at the leaf level which are only for terminal values or small letter case. Then I will say that my leaf levels are completed, my tree creation is completed, and I will gather these terminal values from left to right, and I will treat that as an input string generated from my parse tree. Okay, so this is a basic overview of your top down parsing, where basically you start your journey from the root and you try to reach towards your leaf. So root to leaf approach is followed in case of your top down parsing. But in case suppose this string you have collected as A, B, then suppose again B, A, then suppose C, and then suppose again B. Suppose this string you have collected. Okay, but in case of your second type of parser, which is known as a bottom up parser, the approach will be totally different. So that means you will be exposed to the bottom layer first. So you will be exposed means you will be given to the suppose input string. So first you will be having exposure to the bottom level, means leaf level. From that leaf level you will try to create the subtree. So let's suppose this AB is available. Okay, so this AB string will help you to create this subtree. Now once this subtree is completed, then similarly the next this is BA, this BA is completed, so you will separately you will solve this BA and you will complete this subtree by replacing it with its left hand side derivative or parent. Okay, similarly CB will be completed by replacing its parent, which is in its left hand side. Then you will form from this subtrees, you will form the whole tree. Okay, so that means your approach will be starting from your leaf level in case of your bottom up parser, and you will continue this kind of replacement or squeezing or creation of your subtrees until your whole tree is done. So when your whole tree is done, how you will come to know? When the whole thing will be merged to the root node, to the start node or root node, then you will say that your parsing process is completed and your whole derivation tree you have got. Okay, no more nodes left to be covered. Okay, so that means your approach is from bottom towards up. So up means till you are not reaching to the root node of the whole tree, because here when you are creating one subtree, so these are intermediate nodes, these are not root nodes. Whatever you are getting here, these are not root node, but this is your root node. Why? Because this is a parent of all such subtrees. Okay, so in your bottom up approach, you are exposed to subtrees, and when your subtree creations are completed, so you combine all such subtrees to create the whole tree. Okay, so this is the basic concept or basic differences between two approaches of your tree creation. One is from root to leaf, another is from leaf to root. Okay, now come to the categorization of different types of parser. So in your top-down parser, you will be reading about backtracking parser and predictive parser. Whereas in case of your bottom-up parser, you will be reading two types of parser. One is LR parser and another is operator precedence parser. Here it is written shift reduce parser, but actually that is operator precedence parser. So these two types of parser you will be reading, and in LR parser you will again read three different types of parser, which is simple LR, then CLR, canonical LR, and third one is LALR, that is look ahead LR. So all such parser you will have to study. But for that I will suggest that do not absent your class, because once these parsers will start, these parsers require to create parse table, and how that parse table will be created, that is little complex. So please, it is suggestion for all of you that do not absent the classes when I'm starting the parsers. Okay. So these are basic types of parser. As I told, that in your top-down parser, you always start your journey from the root for your derivation, and you fill up the nodes, or you create the nodes by picking up each productions. So you look at the productions left-hand side, and then you expand that node with its right hand side derivative by creating its child node. Like suppose if I draw a top down parser for this production, let's suppose A produces capital B small c, suppose like that if I'm creating. So that means every time I will pick up this left node, which will be my current node. So my child node will be, or A's child node will be its right hand side from left to right. So B followed by small c. Okay. Acha. Next, sometimes it may require that you may have more than one alternatives possible in your production. Like in this case, suppose it is given A produces BC or small ij, suppose. These two are given. Suppose these two alternatives are given. So either I can replace this capital A with capital B followed by small c, or I can replace this with ig. So if I mistakenly I have taken this option, but I am supposed to take this one. So in that case, what I will do, I will backtrack from this label, and I will go back to my previous label of the tree, and then I will come back with the suitable alternative. So that means again I will derive for A with its next alternative, that means ig. I will expand this A with ig, because this is the correct alternative. So this type of parser which allows this backtracking of your operation, whatever you have done, you are undoing that. You are undoing that operation as if it has not occurred, and you have gone to the previous checkpoint and will opt for the suitable alternative available in your production rule set. Then this type of parser is your backtracking parser, because it allows backtracking. Okay. And for backtracking of parser, this may require much time, because every alternatives you will have to try, because every alternative is a valid one So we will see that what are the disadvantage and advantages of each type of parsers there. Okay. Now, if I talk about the non-backtracking parser, which is the predictive parser. So in case of your predictive parser, it follows some kind of prediction before expanding. So it doesn't require any kind of predictive parser. So how it follows prediction? So it maintains a table. Okay, that we will see. We will call it as a M table. So in that we follow certain rules where you get a clue that which alternative for that particular non-terminal will be suitable. Like in this case, you have two alternatives, no? For A, either you can expand this to BC or you can expand this to IJ. So which alternative you should take? So for that, you will get some clue, you will get some prediction at the previous level, and accordingly you will take that action that whether to go with BC or whether to expand it with IJ. Okay. So that comes under your predictive parser. We will see that how we maintain a table for getting the clue. Okay. Next type of parser is bottom-up parser, which is just the opposite of your top-down parser. There you start with the leaves and you start filling them to create their subtrees. Okay. So every subtree creation will lead to the overall tree creation, right? So when you will connect all such subtrees in a one node, so that will become your root node of your whole tree. Okay, there you will stop your parsing process. So when you have reached to the starting state or the starting symbol, so that means your whole tree creation is complete. So for that we normally take help of the stack data structure. Okay, where actually you use that push and pop operation for denoting them. Okay, we will see how we use this stack. Okay, now in your top-down parser, as I have told that you try to create your tree from the root and you try to reach towards the leaves. So how do you basically scan the input? So suppose this is the input given to you, ID plus ID into ID. Okay, in that case, looking at the input, how can you predict that what will be the sequence? What will be the sequence to generate this input? Okay, so for that you have to follow that leftmost derivative way. So this why I am telling this, because when you are talking about top-down parser, basically you follow the grammar which is called LL grammar. LL grammar. So here two L's are involved. So how do I write? Let me show you. We write it as a LL grammar. So the first L actually denotes that you will always scan your input from left to right. You will always scan your input from left to right. So your first L is telling that you have to scan from left to right. And the second L is telling that you have to follow the leftmost derivative way of your derivation. I have already told you two types of derivations are possible. One is leftmost derivative and rightmost derivative. Both way I have shown. But make sure when you are using this top-down parser, you are tracing each of your production rule set. You are going to follow leftmost derivative way for your derivation tree creation. Okay. So in your top-down parser, parsing algorithm actually parses your input string of tokens by tracing out the steps in a leftmost derivation. Okay, and when you are treating each of your production rules, you will always see that which is the leftmost non-terminal present in your production. So that you will pick up, and according to that picked up non-terminal, you will expand this subtree with its right hand side. Okay, and when you are replacing with its right hand side, every time when you will scan your input string, you will always match with the input string which is the leftmost input present in your input string. So I will show you that how you are basically matching. So let's come to the slide first, where you can see one input string is given to you, ID plus ID into ID. So this is the input string which will be generated after the end of your parse tree creation. this input string will be generated, but we are not sure that whether following this grammar rules we can get this input string as a result or not. So that is the question given to you, that tell me whether this input string is accepted by your parser or not, by your top-down parser or not, following this grammar rule set. So what is the grammar rule set given here? These are your grammar rule set. These are production rule. This is a set of production rules. So in this production rule set, you will have to again find out that who is the first starting symbol. So the one symbol from where your whole parsing is starting, that symbol will be treated as your starting symbol. So here you have E, E dash, T, T dash and F. These many non-terminal symbols are present here. But among these, E is the one who is having that eligibility to be a starting symbol, because here you can see that your production is starting. So once you have identified your starting symbol, now you will start your expansion and you will start creating your parse tree according to the leftmost derivative way. So the same thing I'm going to follow here, the leftmost derivative way of expansion. So E will be replaced with its right hand side. So that means TE dash. So see, in the next step, you can see here, E produces TE dash is drawn here. Okay, because you have expanded E produces TE dash, and TE dash is the rightmost portion of that particular production. So when you will get capital E को हम किससे replace करेंगे? E को हम उसके right hand side से replace करेंगे. So I will get TE dash. Okay. Now according to the leftmost derivation, I have told in its next level, I will pick up the symbol which is the leftmost non-terminal present. So यहाँ पे T और E dash दोनों ही non-terminals है. But among these two, which one is the leftmost? T is the leftmost, so I will plan to expand that. Okay, so T को जब मैंने expand करना शुरू किया, T के लिए क्या production available है? T can produce FT dash, so I will opt for that. T produce FT dash, and I will expand that to next level. Okay, next again in this level I have to take which is the leftmost non-terminal present. So leftmost non-terminal is F, so I will plan to expand that F. So F के लिए मुझे कौन सा लेना चाहिए? Either bracket of E होगा या फिर ID होगा. So यहाँ पे bracket का कोई जगह ही नहीं है. Bracket is opening bracket and closing bracket is treated as a terminal value here. But we can see from the input string that there is no any question of bracket here in your input string. So no need to take that first option, F produces bracket of E. Rather I will take F produces ID and I will replace this F with ID. Okay, now this path is totally completed because at its leaf label I have got one terminal value. Okay, now comes your next leftmost terminal available which you have not yet expanded. So that is your T dash. Okay, so for T dash you can see from your production rule set that you have more than one alternative present. One is star FT dash and another is epsilon. Now question is that among these two alternatives, which one will be suitable and will be applicable for your input string generation? Okay, so if I opt for star FT dash, then after ID I will be getting one asterisk, right? And that asterisk I do not have here because I have here plus. So then T dash produces epsilon will be my suitable alternative to take. So that is why this T dash will be replaced with epsilon here. Okay. Next I have to search who is the next leftmost non-terminal available till now which is not expanded yet. So that is your capital E dash. So that needs to be expanded. Okay. Now for capital E dash also you are available with more than one alternative in your production rule set. One is plus TE dash, another is epsilon. So according to the input string, after ID you may get one plus sign, right? So if I take this plus TE dash, then it will be more suitable in my case. So I will check for that and I will expand that E dash to plus TE dash. So then after ID I will get one plus sign. Then for next level expansion, again I will be having two more unattentive non-terminals left which is not yet expanded. So for that capital T and for E dash, I will expand. Okay, so for T, what option is suitable? For T, if I follow T, FT dash, and from F, if I follow ID, then it will be good because I will get ID plus ID. So this is one way of showing that how in your top-down parser, from left to right, you can opt for your expansion of your production rules by matching with the input string given to you. Okay, so that means if I write here and if I show you another example, like suppose मेरे पास एक एग्जांपल इस तरीके का दिया गया है कि कैपिटल S is C, capital A, capital small d, this type of production, and capital A produces small ab oblique small. Suppose this question is given to me, huh? And मुझे ये कहा गया है कि check the string, the input string small c a b d, input string is accepted by above grammar or not, or parser or not, by the parser or not. ठीक है, parser मतलब ये parser तो यही grammar follow करेगा, parser or not. Okay, in this case you will start expanding your productions, but every time when you will plan for expansion, you have to match with the input string given. So this is the input string given, which will be the ultimate output. Okay, but every time you will opt for expansion, आपको देखना पड़ेगा, इसको scan करना पड़ेगा from left to right कि कौन सा symbol input string में अभी है और वो किसके साथ मैच कर रहा है, तभी जाके आप उसको एक्सपैंड करोगे. तो यहाँ पे पहला इनपुट स्ट्रिंग में आपके पास जो सिंबल है स्मॉल c, so that means definitely this is your starting production from where your production is going to start. So I will start from this कि S produces small c capital A D. अब इसमें अगर मुझे लेफ्ट मोस्ट डेरिवेटिव वे में आगे बढ़ना है, so small c is the terminal symbol, so leave it. But capital A is a non-terminal symbol and is the leftmost non-terminal symbol. So I will plan to derive this capital A. Okay, so a capital A की जगह पे मेरे पास दो options है. One is small ab, another is small a. So which one to follow? I do not know. So I will let's suppose I am taking small a. Let's suppose. Okay, so if I take this small a, then what where I will land up to? Small c already था, कैपिटल A के जगह पे आपने स्मॉल a को रिप्लेस किया और D ऑलरेडी था. सो यू लैंडेड अप टू दिस स्ट्रिंग CAD, क्योंकि इस लेवल पे आपके पास और कोई एक्सपेंशन का जगह बचा नहीं है, बिकॉज ऑल आर टर्मिनल वैल्यूज. टर्मिनल वैल्यूज को तो हम लोग एक्सपेंड नहीं कर सकते, कोई नॉन टर्मिनल नहीं है. तो इसका मतलब अगर मैंने ये एक्सपेंशन किया तो मुझे ये स्ट्रिंग को रिजेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आई विल से दैट माय गिवन स्ट्रिंग इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड. ओके, जो भी मैंने दिया है इनपुट स्ट्रिंग दैट इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड. बट इफ आई बैकट्रैक वन स्टेप, दैट मीन्स जहां से मेरा ये स्मॉल ए आया था, बैकट्रैक मैंने किया और मैंने देखा कि कैपिटल ए के पास और एक ऑल्टरनेटिव अवेलेबल है विच इज स्मॉल ए बी फॉर एक्सपेंशन. सो कैन आई ऑप्ट फॉर दैट? Yes, I can opt. So I will go ahead with that next alternative available, that is that will be AB. So A को मैंने replace किया with small ab और D जैसा था वैसे ही रहने दिया. Okay, now when I have opted for the second alternative, I got that this CABD is the string which is generated as an output by opting this production. Okay, then I can easily say that this CABD string is accepted by the parser, because by following this grammar rule set I can generate this string. Okay, So this is the case of your backtracking. So that means पहले मैंने क्या किया था, पहले मैंने एक ऐसा पाथ लिया था कि S produces CAD, small c, capital A और small d, इसको मैंने ऑप्ट किया. उसके बाद मैंने गलती से मैंने CAD में जो A है, A को मैंने रिप्लेस कर दिया था A से. ओके, यहाँ पे C जैसा है वैसे ही रहने देते, D जैसा है वैसे रहने देते, जिसके कारण ये CAD जनरेट हो रहा था, which is not required according to my question. So मैंने क्या किया कि एक स्टेप मैंने बैकट्रैक कर दिया. बैकट्रैक करने के बाद C को मैंने कहा कि जैसे प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, सॉरी S को मैंने कहा जैसे प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है वैसे ही करने दो, C कैपिटल A फॉलोड बाय स्मॉल d, और उसके बाद इस A को मैंने कहा कि रिप्लेस कर दो विथ स्मॉल ab, नॉट स्मॉल ab, yes स्मॉल ab. ओके, इससे अगर हम लोग स्ट्रिंग कलेक्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट, देन आई विल गेट दिस CABD स्ट्रिंग व्हिच इज गिवन बाय द यूजर. ओके, so that means in your backtracking parser it always tries to find out different possibilities, right? In your parser, whatever possibilities are given for a single production, it tries to find out all such possibilities given in your question. Looking at the input string, it never tries to predict anything, that which one will be suitable, or should I go for next alternative or not. So it will try with all such possibilities. Okay, so definitely if you are trying for all possibilities, so it is going to take more time because you are doing R&D with all the possibilities given in your question. But in case of your predictive parser, it will attempt to predict that what will be the next construction. In your next level of construction, looking at the input string, which one will be more suitable. Okay, so that means it follows one kind of look ahead of tokens. Okay, so this is called look ahead of tokens, where looking at the input string, it tries to get some clue. Okay, so if any clue is it gets, then accordingly it takes the decision that what will be its next level construction. So in case of your backtracking parser, if you can think that will be more powerful, because in backtracking parser it is exposed to every possibilities given in the question, but it is slower. The disadvantage that it is slower, because all possibilities when you are trying, so exponential time will take for parsing process, the whole parsing process. So that means practically that backtracking parser is not suitable, because in your real-time scenario you will not be having more than one parser, rather you will be having dozens, lakhs of possibilities. So it's not possible to try out for all of them. Okay, for that is reason your predictive parser is little feasible. So in your predictive parser, you can opt for either table-driven approach, or you can opt for recursive descent approach. Okay, so this table-driven approach, as I told, that it always maintains the tables. Okay, so that table carries for information about each of your non-terminals present and what each of your non-terminals can produce in its right-hand side. So it will keep every information in that table. Okay, so that is why in your top-down parsers table-driven approach, you follow the grammar which is LL grammar. LL grammar stands for, first L stands for you have to scan the input string from left to right, and when you are tracing them, so you will derive from leftmost derivative way to create your parse tree, and at a time you will always look for one symbol. Okay, so that is why every stage is only considering the expansion of one non-terminal values. Okay, and for construction of this table, you will follow the rule given by your first and follow function. Now I will discuss that what do you mean by first function, what do you mean by follow function, but that requires again attention. So I will rather start it tomorrow, because the first function and follow function में first function फिर भी आपको थोड़ा सा easy लगेगा, follow function में आपको थोड़ा दिमाग में रखना पड़ेगा the rules. Okay, so that I will discuss tomorrow, and in your vacation you will practice this first function or follow function, otherwise आप लोग table create नहीं कर पाओगे, ठीक है ना. सो प्रेडिक्टिव पार्सर में भी जब भी हम लोग प्रेडिक्टिव पार्सर में कोई भी ग्रामर को हम लोग जब फीड करेंगे, वी शुड फर्स्ट टेक केयर कि वो नॉन लेफ्ट रिकर्सिव मैनर पे ग्रामर हो. दैट शुड नॉट बी देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी लेफ्ट रिकर्शन in that grammar, there should not be any left factoring in that grammar, and then we will go for applying the first function and follow function to each symbols of your grammar rule set. Then after first and follow are being followed for each of your symbols present, then we will try to create a parse table for your predictive parser, and then we will check that whether that input string given by the user is accepted or is rejected by the parser. Okay, so for that the third step, that means first and follow function, उसके लिए कुछ rules होते हैं, वो rules हम कल डिस्कस करेंगे, बिकॉज दैट रिक्वायर्स टाइम. आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सिंबल देख के आपको उसके फर्स्ट फंक्शन के सेट में कौन कौन से मेंबर आएंगे, फॉलो सेट में कौन कौन से मेंबर आएंगे और कौन कौन से नहीं आएंगे, उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा रूल याद रखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दैट आई विल डिस्कस टुमारो. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? हेलो?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके ओके, तो द फर्स्ट फंक्शन और फॉलो फंक्शन के लिए कल जरूर ज्वाइन करना, क्योंकि वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, नॉट ओनली फॉर टॉप डाउन पार्सर, वही सेम फर्स्ट और फॉलो फंक्शन आपको बॉटम अप पार्सर में भी लगेंगे. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई डेफिनेटली यू शुड अटेंड द क्लास, टुमारोज क्लास, बिकॉज अगर ये मिस कर दोगे तो ये इतना जल्दी याद नहीं रहेगा. ठीक है, इसलिए बार बार करते 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 वो याद होगा. So that is why I will teach you the rules of your first function and follow function tomorrow. Okay. So let me take your attendance, then you leave. Achha, for CA3, I am again telling, this is CA2, which I will be uploading. For CA3 again, at the end of the November, the deadline is coming. Okay, so for that again CA3, I will be uploading the assignment in MS Team, because you will not be able to see TCA Science. The same assignment I will be uploading in MS Team, so that you can get time for uploading. Okay. जब डेट आएगा तब आप लोग टीसीएस साइंस में अपलोड कर देना, उसके पहले आप लोग एमएस टीम में थोड़ा थोड़ा करके देखते रहना. ओके, तो मैं वो काली पूजा के बाद ही, दिवाली के बाद ही मैं वो अपलोड करूंगी एमएस टीम में. बट जस्ट टू रिमाइंड कि नवंबर महीना शुरू हो गया है, सो नवंबर के एंड पे यू विल हैव टू सबमिट योर CA3 असाइनमेंट. ओके, और उस वक्त हम लोग जब टेस्ट लेंगे तो उस वक्त मैं डिक्लेयर करूंगी व्हेन विल बी द टेस्ट फॉर CA3. ओके, Achha, I have taken your attendance, so you all can leave. Tomorrow we will start the first and follow function. Okay.